Hello, welcome to online classes, children. Today in chapter number 5, we are going to study about like and unlike decimals. Okay, so in the last class, we have studied how to represent a decimal number and the place value expanded form of decimal numbers. So here we will be studying what are like and unlike decimals. So first of all, let us study about like decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Okay, that means you can see here in all these numbers, after the decimal point, we will be having same number of decimal place. Suppose in the first number, you can see 5.7. Okay, so after decimal, we have only one decimal place, that is 10th place. Okay, and the number is 7. So here again in the second number, 36.1. After the decimal, only one decimal place we have. Again, third number also we have, that is 96,130.5. After the decimal, we have only one decimal place. Okay, and here also in the fourth number, that is 0.2. Again, we have only one decimal place after the decimal. So you can see in all these examples, we have only one decimal place after the decimal point. Okay, so this all are like decimals. Coming to unlike decimals, decimals not having the same number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Okay, that means after the decimal point there will be different number of decimal places. For example, you can see 2.79. So after the decimal we have two decimal places, that is 7 and 9. In the second number, 50.001. Okay, again here we have three decimal places after the decimal, and that is 001. In the third number, we have 8,244.7. After the decimal, we have only one decimal place. So in the first number, you can see we have two decimal places after the decimal. In the second number, we have three decimal places after the decimal. And in the third number, you can see we have only one decimal place after the decimal. So that means these all are the examples of unlike decimals. Next is conversion of unlike decimals to like decimals. Now, how can we convert unlike decimals into like decimals? Okay, so first of all, let us see this with the example of my practice time 2. Question number 1. Change the given decimals to like decimals. Okay, you can see here the first question, 2.89, 34.678, 1.111, and this is 7.8. Okay, so you can see after the decimal we have different number of decimal places. So these all are unlike decimals. So for making them like decimals, what we need to do, we need to find that which number is having maximum number of decimal place. Okay, so we can see here this is having 2 decimal place, this is having 3, this is also 3, and this is only 1. So that means the maximum number of decimal place we have is 3. So everywhere in all the number we will be making the 3 decimal places by adding 0 at the last. So let us see this. This is 2.89 will become 2.890. We will make it 3 decimal places. Okay. Again, this one 34.678. It already has 3 decimal place. So we will not do any change in this. And third number also having 3 decimal place. So we will not do any change in this. So it will write it 1.111 only. Okay, then 7.8. Now 7.8 is having only one decimal place. So we will add 2 zeros and we'll make it 3 decimal places after the decimal. So that means now these all are having 3 decimal places after the decimal. So these all are now like decimals. Okay. Second question also you can see here 2.45, 56.89 and 2.1. So the maximum number of decimal places after the decimal we have here is 2. Okay, so everywhere we will be wherever it is 1, so we will make it 2. So we have only 2.1 as only one decimal place, so we will make 2.10. okay, we'll add 0 and we will make this 2 decimal place number. Okay, so now these all numbers are having 2 decimal places after the decimal. So now these all are like decimals. Similarly, we'll do for the third one also. You can see 4.69, 1.0008, then 1.9, then 4. So the maximum number of decimal places in all these numbers we see here is this one. So after the decimal we have 4 digits, 4 decimal places. Okay, so everywhere in all the numbers we will add 0 and we will make them 4 decimal place. So 4.69 will become 4.6900. Then 1.0008 will remain as it is. Then 1.9 will become 1.9 and 000. Then 4 is only whole number, so we can write 4.0000. Okay, this is your all like decimals. Thank you.